What's up, Pluck Buddies? I'm Vanessa, the creator of Motherpluckers Brows and Beauty Bar. And in 2018, since opening Motherpluckers, I built a pretty loyal clientele through consistency and commitment to excellence. With a team of talented artists that I've taught to hone their skills and become experts in their craft, we've collectively completed over 20,000 services. We've also acquired 6,000 plus client files and have exceeded 1,100 online reviews. Big stuff. Having been in the industry for over a decade, I've learned all of the tough lessons, believe me. And now I'm passing them along to you, my tried and true teachings. You're welcome. I found purpose in building up those around me and giving them the confidence they didn't know they had. I'm gonna give you the framework to do the same. I'm gonna teach you everything, literally everything. You can look forward to learning about the importance of hygiene and sanitization, super important, spoiler alert. How to create balance through custom brow mapping and various trimming techniques to satisfy every hair type. And guess what? That's only a small piece of what I'm teaching you. And none of it is scripted. Some of it gets a little bit crazy, but that's the fun part. Whether you're a beginner, a salon owner, or an experienced eyebrow artist, you're gonna feel equipped with the tools you need to provide an outstanding service at an expert level. See you in the next segment.